Hello students, today we are going to discuss 45 most important question from the coordination compound students. This is I have selected from the Excel Academy, that is Bangalore based coaching. So quite good question I find, so that I selected this. So let us have a look over the first question. In coordination compound, primary valency is ionizable. The primary valency is what, student? Ionizable, that is also known as, this is the counter ion. Primary valency is also known as counter ion. Okay, so that can be ionizable. So correct option is option number 2. According to Werner theory, primary valency are ionizable. Now the secondary valency of coordination compound is equal to coordination number. So correct option is, this is the fundamental question, student. Secondary valency is equal to number of coordinate bond equal to number, coordination number. According to Werner theory, in a complex compound, secondary valency are equal to coordination number. Now, question number 3. Which of the following is double salt? So, option number first is there. It is made up of two salt, student, potassium sulfate and aluminum sulfate. So, that is two salt is known as double salt. So, correct option is option number 1. Double salt completely ionizes on hydrolysis. Double salt completely ionizes on hydrolysis. That's okay, but that is made up of two salt. Now question number 4. Among the following homoleptic complexes, that is the homoleptic are complex which is having the only one ligand. So chlorine, ammonia, this is 2. Bileptic, ammonia, water, bileptic, only NH3, so this is homoleptic. Metal ion attached only one type of ligand is known as homoleptic ligands. Now let us move out the question number 4, students. What is among the following homoleptic complexes, that is this one is CONH3 6 times 3 plus. Now IPAC name of PTNH3 twice ClNO2 is, so it is the diamino chlorido nitrito and platinum second ion. Okay, so this is the name, student, very easy name, formula based. Firstly alphabetically name of the ligand, so diamino, then Cl minus is there, chlorido, NO2 is there, nitrito N, because it is the N is the attaching atom, platinum second, because that is oxidation number is +2. Now the next one is the formula potassium tetrahydroxyzincate. Okay, formula for potassium tetrahydroxyzincate, it will be the K2ZnOH 4 times. So potassium tetrahydroxyzincate is K2ZnOH 4 times. This is the our answer, students. Now what we are going to do, next one, which of the following do not exhibit geometrical isomerism? So geometrical isomerism is no one, you can see geometrical, no one will, it will be, wait student, which one will not exhibit geometrical isomerism? Question number 7, option number 4. So all of these, no one is capable to exhibit geometrical isomerism, because they are having, what they are having, students, that is same type of the ligands are there now, so they cannot exhibit geometrical isomerism. Okay, square planar with same type of ligand, so they cannot exhibit tetrahedral, octahedral with same type of ligand. In these three complex geometrical isomerism is not possible. In a complex type Ma3B3, 3 donor atoms of the same ligand occupy adjacent position, then it is exhibiting cis isomerism, trans isomerism, mere facial isomerism, because there is 3 donor atoms are the same ligand, so that is facial isomerism. Option number 4. In octahedral complexes, 3 identical ligands are adjacent, it is facial isomerism. In an octahedral complex, 3 identical ligands are adjacent, it is a facial isomerism. The spin only magnetic moment of MnBr4 2 minus is 5.9. Its geometry is, so here is, if you talk about geometry is tetrahedral, let us see. 5.9 means 5 unpaired electron are present. It is high spin complex which always give the tetrahedral geometry. So 5 unpaired electron always give the tetrahedral geometry. The spin okay. Next one, for the ligand pairing energy is greater than splitting energy, delta delta splitting energy, so pairing energy is more. So weak field ligands and form the high spin complex. Weak field ligand and form high spin complex. Option number third is, if the splitting energy is less than pairing energy, it is weak field ligand form high spin complex. So option number third is correct, students. Now in a complex TiH2O6 during DD transition, electron jump from T2G to EG, then the complex exhibit violet color. Explanatory of crystal field theory, you can read out the crystal field theory, you can be able to understand. That is hexa aqua titanium third ion is violet color. Okay, to the aqueous solution of nickel H2O6 to bidentate ligand, En is added to EnNi in 3:1. The color of the complex will be okay. So this is also the memory based question. This is the blue color. So NiH2O6 time has a light green color, but due to addition of bidentate ligand and charge, En changes to blue due to color arises from the change in energy between T2G to EG orbital. The formula of minerals beryl is okay. So Be3Al2Si6O18. Be3, this is the Be3Al2Si6O18 is Be3Al2Si6O18 is what, student? Option number 2 is correct. Be3Al2Si6O18. Which of the following has the highest magnetic moment? Which of the following has the highest magnetic moment? So that is FeH2O 6,2 plus is highest magnetic moment, because that is Fe2 5 unpaired electron are there. Okay, the only which has the more number of unpaired electron, here is 5 unpaired electron will be. Pernicious anemia disease is due to, that is cyanocobalamin. Option number third. Decrease in the vitamin B12 cyanocobalamin causes pernicious anemia. Wilkinson catalyst is pH P thrice RHCl. So Wilkinson catalyst is pH P thrice RHCl. Okay, that you keep in mind. In older days, developed film in black and white photography is fixed by using hypo. The complex formed during the fixation is, that is AgS2O3 twice 3 minus ion. Film is coated with AgBr, hypo is Na2S2O3. The complex is AgS2O3 twice 3 minus. So this is what is our answers, dear students. The excess of Cu and Fe in plant animal system can be detoxified by using. The excess of copper and iron in plant animal system can be detoxified by using both 2 and 3. D-penicillamine and dysferrioxime. So option 2 and 3 are correct. So option number 4 is correct, student. That also you have to memorize. Excess of copper and Fe in the plant and animal can be detoxified by using both D-penicillamine and the dysferrioximes B. Growth of tumors can be prevented by using the medicine cisplatin. Okay, so this is cisplatin is used in the treatment of the cancer or tumors. Okay, cisplatin, that is cis-PTNS3 twice Cl2 is used in the prevention of growth of tumor. In a metal carbonyl, the instability is exhibited by In a metal carbonyl, stability is exhibited by synergic bond. Metal carbonyl, there is synergic bond is there, student, which is explain the stability. Metal carbonyl possess pi and sigma character unique synergy bond, provides stability. The oxidation number of cobalt KCOCO5 is, so this is what, this is the neutral ligands, dear students, and potassium is +1, so it will go that side, so it will be -1. So which is correct? That is option number 3rd. That is very easy. Amongst the following most stable complex is, this is the bidentate ligand are more stable, so that is oxalate ion is there, that is bidentate ligand which is more stable, so their K value is maximum, that is why more stable. The correct order of the wavelength of the absorption in the visible region is the following. So which one is nickel H2O 6 time, nickel NH3 6 time, NO2 6 time. So that is correct option is option number 1. The order of the ligand in the spectrochemical series is H2O NH3 NO2, hence the energy of the absorbed light will be in this order. Okay, thank you students. Now question number 24. When blue color copper sulfate aqueous solution is added to aqueous KF, resulting PPT color will be green color. When blue color copper sulfate aqueous solution is added to aqueous KF, the resulting PPT color will be green color. Okay, so CuH2O 4 times 2 plus is blue. When KF is added to H2O replaced by F, forming CuF42 minus, which is green PPT. When blue color copper sulfate aqueous solution is added to aqueous KF, resulting color is green. Okay, now let us move next question. The number of geometrical isomers possessed for the CrC2O4 thrice and CONH3 thrice Cl3 respectively is 0 and 2. Option number 1 is correct. So CrC2O4 thrice 3 minus never exhibit geometrical isomerism. Okay, CONH3 Cl3 meridian and facial isomerism they exhibit. Question number 26. The spin only magnetic moment for a configuration is 2.84 bm. It is D4 strong field ligand. It is D4 strong field ligand. What they are saying, the spin only magnetic moment for a configuration 2.84 bm is D4 strong. So option number 1 is correct according to crystal field theory. T2G4 will be there. Geometrical isomerism is exhibited by PTEN twice Cl2. It is a square planar, So option number 2 is correct. Ni2 plus is able to form complex with H2O, Cl minus and Cn minus. The geometry of the complex respectively are with the H2O octahedral, with Cl minus tetrahedral, and with cyanide and square planar, based on the hybridization coordination number. The complex which exhibit highest conductivity in aqueous solution, the greater the number of ions, greater is the solubility. K3 is there, this is not, because here you see student, here is +2, or you can reply that is here is +4, and this will go that is -4. So that is highest, this is not. Option number 2 is correct student, K4, and that is the 2 ions it will give. I is equal to how much? 5 is coming. The coordination number and coordination number and oxidation number of PT in the given complex. Okay, so oxidation number is +2. Okay, and coordination number is how much? 6 and 2. Which one is 6 and 2? Option number 4 and 2 student. Here 2 is there, bidentate. 4 and 2, option number 4. En is a bidentate ligand, hence coordination number is 4, and neutral molecule, hence oxidation number is equal to charge plus 2. When AgNO3, okay, when AgNO3 is added to solution of CuNH3 5Cl3, the precipitate exhibits 2Cl minus ion. Then according to Werner theory, okay, so according to 2 chlorine atom is satisfied primary valency and 1 chlorine atom satisfied secondary valency. So option number 4 is correct, student. In the this one they are saying when AgNO3 is added to solution CuNH3 5Cl3, the precipitate exhibit 2Cl minus ion. Then according to Werner theory, so out of 3, the 2 will be the primary valency now, primary valency, and 1 is chlorine is the satisfied secondary valency. So it's very easy on the basis of Werner theory, student, you can understand. When AgNO3 is added to solution, when AgNO3 added to solution, that already over, students. The complex which gives white precipitate with barium chloride solution is, this will give the barium, CrNH3 5Cl SO4. This will give the white precipitate, students. Because the sulfate ion react with barium chloride, it will give barium sulfate. Coordination isomerism can be exhibited by neutral complex. Coordination isomerism is always exhibited by neutral complex. Next one, only neutral complex with different metal ion exhibit coordination number. Optically active complex are the cis CrCl2 OX2, they exhibit what is optically active. Only cis isomers are optically active, not trans. Which of the following is incorrect statement? Which of the following is incorrect statement about the valence bond? It involves the number of assumptions. Okay, it does not give the quantitative interpretation of magnetic data. It distinguishes between weak and strong ligand. That is correct one. Okay, valence bond theory does not distinguish between weak and strong ligand. Okay, so the degeneracy of d orbital is removed when the ligand pointed towards dxy. The orientation of dxy orbital along the axis, the orientation dxy orbital is along the axis, hence average energy is spherical crystal field decreases. The formula of tris ethylene diamine cobalt third sulfase is COEN thrice 3 twice SO4 thrice. So option number 2 is correct. Nice. Next question 38. An octahedral complex having two different monodentate ligand A, B. Which of the following will not show geometrical isomerism? So an octahedral complex having two different monodentate ligand A, B. Which of the following will not show geometrical isomerism? So that is MaB5. Option number 4 is correct. MaB5 is correct. Now students, for octahedral complex with coordination number 6 of type Ma4B2, Ma2B4 and Ma3B3, MaA2B2 will show geometrical isomerism. In a high spin complex of cobalt hexafluorocobaltate third ion, hybridization will be, that is sp3d2. Coordination number 6, high spin complex outer orbital hybridization takes place. For T2G6 NEG1 system, the magnetic moment will be 1.73 because n is equal to is coming to be 3. Which of the following is correctly matched, students? So NiCnO4, this is the square planar complex. So option number 1 itself is correct. The complex in which has no d electron in central atom. No d electron in central atom. So that is cobalt is there, which is having no d electron. So MnO4 minus, it is giving Mn7 plus. So Mn7 plus means there is no d electron. Which of the following statement is incorrect? Which of the following statement is incorrect? So you can read out, student. Chelate complex have low stability. This is no. Chelating complex, they form the cage like structure, so they have highest stability. the complex formed in Mond process NiCO4 4 times. Option number 2 is correct. In the coordination complex K4NiCN6, the oxidation number of Ni is 0. So option number 4 is correct, student. So this is all about the 45 question. Dear student, I solve these are for myself only, not for the basic idea about to explain the students. For my own purpose I am solving. So if you find anything good, you can go through it. If you don't find good, you need not to go through it. Thank you so much for watching, friends.